Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss the construction of Turing machine that accepts even length palindrome. First of all, what do you mean by palindrome? Palindrome is simply the reverse of a string is equal to the original string. That is called palindrome. And even length palindrome in the sense the length of a string must be even. For example, if you want to construct the palindrome over the input alphabets A comma B, consider an example A, B, A, B, A. This is a palindrome. How can you say that? Observe the reverse. The reverse of a string is equal to the original string. This is a palindrome and the length of a string is 6. So this is called even length palindrome. BAB, BAB. This is also a palindrome because here we have no restrictions whether the string starts with A or starts with B. We can have any possibilities. We have two possibilities, either starts with A or starts with B. The only conditions is that must be a palindrome and the length must be even. So what is the procedure we have to follow? The procedure is very simple. First thing is construct a tape. Suppose assume this is an example ABA, ABA, and the last symbol is replaced with some blank symbol. Here you can use any symbol, either B or delta, whatever it is. The procedure is first read the first symbol from the tape and replace this symbol with some blank symbol. Read the last symbol in the tape. So the replace this one is also with a blank symbol, and at the same time check the first symbol and the last symbol. If both are matched, then we are moving into this direction. That is the second symbol from the left end and the second symbol from the right end. If these two are also matched, replace with blank, move third symbol from the left, third symbol from the right. If these two are also matched, replace with a blank symbol. Finally, you have to read a symbol epsilon. That means the entire string is completed. In even palindrome, after performing comparison, must and should we reach to an epsilon state. That is, the entire string is completed. In this case, we prove that the particular string is accepted by that particular Turing machine. Okay. Now we will implement the same thing by considering transition diagram. Now, assume initially I am at state Q0. On Q0, what are the two possibilities? Whether the first symbol, that means the string starts with A or the string starts with B. For example, first I will explain the concepts that the string starts with A. So the string starts with A. Now what we discussed, whenever this small a occurs, replaced with some blank symbol, right? Move to this one. Whenever A occurred, A is replaced with a blank symbol and move to the right. So we have to move until the last symbol. The moving process is done until the last symbol. So move to the right side direction. For example, I am moving at state Q1. What to do in Q1? If you are receiving any symbol, if you are receiving A is replaced with A and then move to the R. B is replaced with B and move in the right side direction. So this process is repeated for all the symbols. This process is repeated for this symbol, this one, this one, this one, this one. Whenever we are receiving a blank symbol, the blank symbol only specifies that that is the end of a string. Okay, you got it? So here I am receiving the blank symbol B. If blank symbol occurred, the blank is replaced with the blank and then move to the left direction. If you are moving it to the left direction, now my cursor is at this position. Now what to do? Here A occur. Here A occurred. Already we are in the path. Whenever A occur, then only we are moving in this path. Observe from the starting state, the first symbol A, then only we are in this particular path. On the state Q2, if A occurred, then what is my procedure? A is replaced with some blank symbol. and then move to the left direction. So this is replaced with a blank symbol, move to the left direction until this blank symbol occurs. Whenever this blank symbol occurs, again move to the right side direction. That is to get the second symbol. The same process. Suppose see this one, state Q3. On Q3, if you are receiving any A is replaced with A and move to the left. Any B is replaced with B and move to the left. And the same process is repeated whenever we are receiving a blank symbol. Again, the process is repeated. If you are receiving a blank symbol, the process is repeated. B is replaced with B and then move to the right direction. Observe this one. That means I am moving in this direction. I am at state Q3. B is replaced with B, A, B, B. Here I have capital B. Whenever I am receiving B, now what is this one? This is my next state, Q0. Again, the same process is repeated for the entire string. This is the procedure. If the string starts with A, suppose we have one more possibility. If the string can starts with B also, what to do? If the string starts with B, then B is replaced with B and then move in the right direction. The concept is same. Replaced with B, move to the right direction. So on this one, is any number of A occur, replace with A, B occurred, replace with B, move to the direction. So whenever blank occurred, blank is replaced with the blank, and then observe the above diagram and below diagram, both are same. The only difference is instead of the input symbol A, here the input symbol is B. Now Q5. On Q5, when we are moving to Q5, whenever we are receiving a blank symbol, here what is my input? Here I am starting from B. So the last symbol must be B. If it is B, then we are replacing with B and then move to the right left direction. Suppose on state Q5, if you are receiving an A, so there is no transition. There is no transition in the sense there is no halt state. So simply the string is not accepted. You got the point? Simply we are moving into a state Q6. The same procedure. On state Q6, any number of A's occurred, any number of B's occurs, move to the left direction. Finally, if you are receiving a blank symbol, replace the blank with the blank and then move to the right direction. The same process is repeated for all the strings at one particular point of time. At one particular point of time, all the symbols in the string are blank symbols. In this case, we are moving into some halt state, that is acceptance state. What is the case? B is replaced with B. So here no need of any direction, or you can write the direction, that is not at all important. The entire string contains only blank symbols. This is the Turing machine that accepts even length palindrome. Thank you.